Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Basic for Beginners. Today we will talk about correlation in R. It is used to test if two variables are related or not, and it gives a value in the range of -1 to +1. So let's first import the built-in dataset in R empty cars by using data function. Just to see the data, I will use the head function. Now let's see how to calculate Pearson correlation coefficient in R. We will use the function COR and mention two columns of empty cars. Let's take DISP and HP. Let's run this. And now we got Pearson correlation coefficient. Let's look at it in the graph as well. To plot a graph, I will import the library ggplot2. And using ggplot function, I will mention empty cars data in the first argument, then axis x and y, scatter points, as well as a line that connects the dot in a linear manner. All the details regarding correlation and plotting a graph have been discussed before. I will give the link to those videos in the description below. So let's run this, and in the bottom right side, we will get the graph. Now, we did get the correlation coefficient, but to get the p-value, we will replace COR to COR.test. The results will give us the p-value. Let's go to the non-parametric alternative of correlation coefficient, like Spearman correlation. Spearman correlation is used in case of nonlinear correlation. Just add another argument in the COR function. The argument is method and mentions Spearman in quotes. And we will get the results. Now let's plot this graph as well using the same statement as we did before with ggplot function, but not mentioning LM. Because when we mention LM, it means that it will connect the dots in a linear manner. So now by default, it will use non-linear plotting. And here is the graph in the bottom right side. So let's use another alternative, Kendall Tau. Just replace Spearman with Kendall and we will get the results. Kendall Tau is used in case of less data. Another correlation is point-Biserial correlation, which is used when one variable is quantitative and the other has only two values like true and false, 0 and 1, and so on and so forth. To do point-Biserial correlation coefficient, we will use the COR function and we will mention again two columns. Here I will take one column that is quantitative like DISP, and the other column I will take is VS. VS column has only two values, 0 and 1. So when I will run this, it will automatically give point-Biserial correlation. Taking its graph, we can see that points are present at 0 and 1 on y-axis. That's it for today. If you learned something from the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.